Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313. Today, we're diving into the world of Rolls-Royce to review the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith, a car that redefines luxury and performance in a grand tour. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith continues the brand's tradition of blending elegance with innovation. Its exterior design is both timeless and modern, featuring a sleek coupe-like silhouette that commands attention. The iconic spirit of ecstasy sits proudly on the hood, perfectly complementing the signature Pantheon grille. Every detail of the Wraith's design speaks to the precision and craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce is known for, from its long flowing lines to the impeccable paintwork that can be customized to suit your personal style. The car is a masterpiece of form and function, ensuring it stands out in any setting. Under the hood, the 2025 Wraith is powered by a robust 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. This engineering marvel delivers over 600 horsepower and a substantial amount of torque, ensuring an exhilarating yet smooth driving experience. The acceleration is seamless, with the car gliding effortlessly from standstill to high speeds. Despite its power, the Wraith maintains the serene ride quality that is synonymous with the brand. The advanced air suspension system adapts to road conditions, providing unparalleled comfort while retaining exceptional handling. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a long-distance journey, the Wraith delivers a drive that is both dynamic and refined. The interior of the 2025 Wraith is a sanctuary of luxury. Rolls-Royce has spared no effort in creating an environment that pampers its occupants. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including hand-stitched leather, meticulously crafted wood veneers, and polished metal accents. The Starlight headliner, a signature feature, transforms the ceiling into a starry night sky, adding a magical touch to the interior. Advanced sound insulation ensures that the outside world remains distant, allowing you to enjoy a tranquil ride. Every element of the interior has been thoughtfully designed to offer unmatched comfort and elegance, making every drive a special experience. Technology plays a key role in enhancing the Wraith's appeal. The car comes equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with your digital lifestyle. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and responsive, providing access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Voice commands powered by AI ensure you can control various functions without lifting a finger. Safety features are abundant, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system offering peace of mind on every journey. Rolls-Royce has also incorporated predictive navigation and real-time traffic updates, ensuring you reach your destination with ease. Customization is a hallmark of the Rolls-Royce experience, and the 2025 Wraith takes this to new heights. Buyers can choose from an extensive palette of paint colors, bespoke interior trims, and personalized features. Whether it's a unique color combination, custom embroidery, or even your initials on the dashboard, the Wraith can be tailored to reflect your individuality. This level of customization ensures that no two Wraiths are ever truly alike, making each car a unique work of art. The driving experience of the 2025 Wraith is nothing short of extraordinary. The car strikes a perfect balance between performance and comfort, allowing you to enjoy spirited drives while enveloped in luxury. The steering is precise and responsive, giving you confidence on winding roads, while the suspension soaks up imperfections for a smooth ride. Rolls-Royce has also paid attention to the acoustics, with the engine note carefully tuned to provide a satisfying growl without being intrusive. The result is a driving experience that is both engaging and relaxing, catering to a wide range of preferences. Owning a Rolls-Royce Wraith is about more than just driving a car, it's about making a statement. The 2025 Wraith embodies elegance, sophistication, and exclusivity, appealing to those who demand the very best. It's a car that turns heads and sparks conversations, whether parked outside a luxury hotel or cruising along scenic routes. The attention to detail, from the precision engineering to the bespoke craftsmanship, ensures that the Wraith remains a symbol of automotive excellence. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Wraith is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and luxury. It combines timeless elegance with modern innovation, offering a driving experience that is as exhilarating as it is refined. From its powerful V12 engine to its opulent interior, every aspect of the Wraith has been designed to exceed expectations. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Wraith delivers an experience that is truly unmatched. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel,